Okay, Andy, what I did here to begin off the CMA is I took algorithms from three different sources so that you could see what everyone else thinks your house is worth. And as you'll notice, when you look at the numbers, it's kind of all over the place. So the first one I got was off of Bank of America, and they're saying that your home is valued between 735 to a million. Chase Bank says it's worth 660 to 823, and then we've got Zillow that says it's worth 789. So as you can see, the home value of your house is just kind of all over the board. Okay, so I'm gonna begin by showing you the overall not neighborhood, but the overall big picture CMA, and then I'm gonna get down to the neighborhood CMA. So let's start off with the overall big picture CMA. Okay, now this is the big picture CMA. Basically, I would use the big picture CMA if there were no other houses in your neighborhood that were comparable to your house. Okay, so according to the big picture, as you can see, there's an average market time here of 24 days. The average per square foot is $267.63. There's a low price of $681, a median price of $800, and a high price of $920. Okay, now this is the overall big picture. This is within a 1 mile radius of your house. Again, I would only use this to price your house if there were no comparable properties in your neighborhood. But I was able to find properties that were comparable to your house, that were in your neighborhood. So let's go over that CMA now. I'll go ahead and show that to you. Okay, so this is the neighborhood CMA, and there were two houses that sold within the last 6 months that were in your neighborhood, similar to your house, in your neighborhood, square footage close. But you're going to see here that the average days on market, it was on there for 26 days. And so the average price per square foot is $234.66. So $234.66 times 3,407, which is what the square footage of your house would be. My suggested sell price would be $799. Now again, depending on what upgrades you did or improvements to the house that you made, it could go up, but I wouldn't know until I see your house. But I just wanted you to see what the other two houses in your neighborhood sold for. So again, the market is gonna dictate what your house is worth. And so this is all the information within the last 6 months of the houses that sold in your neighborhood. I am going to send you the neighborhood CMA and the big picture CMA. Again, keep in mind that the big picture CMA would only be used if these comps right here that were in your neighborhood were not available. But we do have comps that are in your neighborhood. This is what they sold for. So my recommendation, based off of the $234.66 times the 3,407 square footage of your house, that comes out to about $799. But again, like I said, it could go up if you've done improvement and it's better than average. That could affect my price recommendation. Again, I wouldn't know until I actually see your house in person. So if you would like to set up a time for me to come down and physically take a look at the house, I would be more than happy to do that. But I will send this to you. So go ahead and take a look at the hard copies of the CMA. And if you have any questions, give me a call. All right. Thank you. Bye.